Hello friend, I am Pradeep Yadav. Today I will discuss about division instruction in 8086 microprocessor. So as we know there were no any division instruction in 8085 microprocessor. If you have to perform division in 8085 microprocessor, then you have to perform by using a repetitive subtraction. But in case of 8086 microprocessor, we have two instructions which are used for division in 8086 microprocessor. Or these are DIV and second is IDIV. So question is that what is basically difference between these two? Difference is that key div instruction used for unsigned number and IDIV used for signed number. So unsigned number, the range of unsigned number is from 0 to 255, and for signed number that is minus 128 to 127. If you want to perform division operation by taking unsigned number, then we have to use DIV, and if we are going to perform division operation by taking signed number, then we have to use IDV. Only this is difference. Now how these instruction work? Okay, so firstly I am talking about DIV, and whatever I am going to discuss, it is applicable for both DIV and IDBE. Okay, so first is that when a word is divided by, word means 16-bit number divided by a byte means 8-bit number. Okay, in that case 16-bit number must be in AX, and the divisor can be in any register or memory. After the division, AL will contain 8-bit quotient, and AH will contain 8-bit remainder. Okay, so this is first condition. When you are going to divide 16-bit number by 8-bit number, in that case your 16-bit number should be in AX, and after division AL will contain quotient and AH will contain remainder. This is first when you are going to divide 16-bit by 8-bit. Second is when you are going to divide 32-bit by 16-bit. Okay, in this case MSB of double word means MSB of 32 bits should be in DX, and LSB of that should be in AX, and after division AX will contain 16-bit quotient and DX will contain 16-bit remainder. So this is basically two rules which will applied when you are going to perform division operation in 8086 microprocessor. First is when a 16-bit number is divided by 8-bit number, in that case that 16-bit number should be stored in AX, and after division and 8-bit this number can be in any register or memory. After division A will contain 8-bit quotient and AH will contain 8-bit remainder. Second is when you are going to divide 32-bit number by 16-bit, in this case MSB of 32-bit is stored in DX, LSB of that in AX, and after division AX will contain 60-bit quotient and DX will contain 16-bit remainder. So this is basically, this is two rules which will be applied when you are going to perform division operation in 8086 microprocessor. Let take an example. Suppose here this is instruction div bl. So meaning of this is 8-bit number, means here we are dividing ax by bl. In that case, quotient will be stored in al and remainder will be in ah. And also just take a second example. Suppose move ax comma 203 and move bl comma 4. Okay, and device bill. In this case, what happen? Now 200 is, it will be divided by 4. Then what we will get? So we will get al equal to 50, means this is 32h, and we will get ah means 03. Okay, so here you can see this is quotient and this is remainder. So after performing division, we will get here, because this is 16-bit number, means word, and here byte, and here we will get our output. So this is basically working of div and idiv. In case of idiv, you can take this example as just my mentioning -203. So here if this is sign number, then we have to use IDIV. This is only difference between div and idiv. So already I have told you, div instruction used for unsigned division and IDV used for signed division. So only difference is for sign and nothing else. And I think these two rules applicable for both in case of div and idiv. So I have discussed everything, and if you have problem, so you can give me a comment and I will reply. So thank you for watching this. Thank you.